In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll start by using Google to find TradingView. Open your browser, head to Google, and type TradingView. Click the official result at tradingview.com. Using Google ensures you land on the correct, up-to-date page quickly. Once you're on TradingView, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click it to open the instrument search. In the search field, type gold versus US dollar, or simply XAUUSD. This is the common ticker for gold, priced in US dollars. In the results, select gold versus US dollar to open its chart. If you land on an overview page instead of the chart, choose Full Featured Chart to get the tools we'll use next. With the chart open, make sure the chart area is active by clicking once on the price area. Now use the handy date jump shortcut. Press Alt+G on your keyboard. This opens the Go To Date panel, which is perfect for quickly reviewing historical price action without endless scrolling. In the Go To panel, pick the year you want to see. This tells TradingView roughly where on the timeline you want to land. After choosing the year, select the month you want to inspect. Selecting both the year and month helps the platform drop you right into the period you care about, saving you time and keeping your analysis focused. When your year and month are set, click Go To. The chart will instantly move to that point in history. Give it a second to load candles and data. From here, you can zoom in or out with your mouse wheel or the plus and minus icons and adjust the time frame if needed using the toolbar above the chart. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If Alt+G doesn't open the panel, click once inside the chart to ensure it has focus, then try again. If your chart looks different from mine, check that you're on the same symbol and time frame, and consider toggling auto-scaling if prices appear compressed. You can always repeat the Alt+G shortcut to jump to another date as you compare different periods. And that's it. You found TradingView with Google, searched for the gold versus US dollar chart, used Alt+G, chose your year and month, and clicked Go To for a precise historical view.